I was a multiple tour veteran. It was pretty hard on my body. I've been to many chiropractors. This was a much different experience. I didn't think I'd be able to see some of the results that I've seen as quickly as I have. Today, I can move my neck relatively freely without a ton of pain. This past weekend, I was in the pool throwing my kids around, playing with them, doing things that I was unable to do. So it's helped my work performance, it's helped my sleeping patterns, and also be there more for my family.